Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the gold gain 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Aussie-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Russian stocks were given a reprieve and the ruble strengthened after the country's top stock exchange decided not to allow some foreign investors to trade Russian shares for the first time since February. The US is sanctioning Tornado Cash, an Ethereum mixing service for allegedly helping North Korea launder millions of dollars stolen in cryptocurrency hacks. Hackers tapped Tornado Cash to launder some of the funds stolen from the $622 million Ronin network hack back in March. Tesla's autopilot and self-driving claims have been called into question by the California Department of Motor Vehicles, which has filed a complaint against Elon Musk's car company. The 11-page filing states that Tesla has made statements that are untrue or misleading regarding its advanced driver assistance systems.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US unit labour costs will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index at 1000 hours GMT. The US Red Book Index at 12:55 GMT. Japan's machine tool orders will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's Producer Price Index at 2350 GMT. The UK's 30Y bond auction at 0930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.